how to install Git or Git on your Windows 11 machine. The process is very simple. You need to come to this website called git-scm.com. I'll provide the link in the description, git-scm.com, and you come on this website. This is the official website of Git, and here you go into download section, and here according to your operating system you have download for Mac, Windows and Linux. I am on Windows right now, so I'll go into Windows section, and here you will have two versions of installers, 32-bit version and 64-bit version. 32-bit version is for very old 10-12 years old systems. 64-bit version is normally what you require. But if you need a standalone version of it, means a portable version of it, you can download the portable versions here. But I'll go for 64-bit version for my Windows setup because my machine is AMD Ryzen 9, which is a 64-bit version. So I'll click on this and I'll download it. So download has completed. I'll open the folder. This download has come into my downloads folder. So I will double click on it, and this is the installer. You simply click on next, next. Here I don't need the icon on the desktop. I need the extension. Okay, so all default options are fine. This will be saved in a folder called Git, and choosing the default editor, what editor you want to use. You want to use Vim or anything, so you can choose any of your default editor. I'm keeping Win as my editor, and here also adjusting the name of initial branch, letting Git decide. So keeping all the options by default, use SSL library, so not making any changes, just clicking next, next, next. Git credential managers is what I will use. Enable file system caching, perfectly fine. And now after all these settings, I click on install, and that will install the Git on my system. I don't want to view the release notes, but I want to launch the Git bash to see if it's starting properly. So yes, this is starting properly. I also want to see whether I can access it from a command line. So what I will do is I'll start the command line and I'll give the command git version, and it is showing me a version 2.47.0.windows.2. So that means Git has installed properly, so I can use it for my purposes. Thank you.